variable air volume, VAV terminal units regulate zone temperatures via local thermostats for indoor comfort. Composed of cabinets, fans, sensors, valves, controllers, and thermostats, our units feature an integrated electromechanical instrument design. The cabinet integrates shell, cylindrical inlet, velocity sensor, terminal fan, valve, lifting lugs, electric box, return filter, insulation, and noise reduction cotton, plus optional coils and mufflers. The control system includes integrated VAV controller with valve actuator, fan speed regulator, transformer, thermostat, and optional coil controllers. Customizable for project needs.